In this video, we are going to take up one more Python program to find the factorial of a given number by recursion. What is that recursion? Repeating the steps by itself. So what does it mean? So for example, so now here, I will define a function. What is the function? Fact of a number, fact A. Condition is if A becomes 0 or A is equal to 1, I have to return the value as 1. Okay, if A is equal to 0 or A is equal to 1. This is a logical OR. Since it is a logical OR, if any one of the condition is true, then it is true. If A is equal to 0 or A double equals 1, then return 1. Else, return A star fact of A minus 1. So first I want to give the input num int input, enter the number here. Then result, I am calling the function and storing that value in a result as a variable. Result fact num. Then the factorial of a given number percentage %g is equal to percentage %g within quotes percent num comma result. So what it does, suppose if I say enter a number here 5, the factorial of the given number 5 will be equal to 120. Why? Because 5 into 4 becomes 20, 20 into 3 becomes 60, 60 into 2 becomes 120, 120 into 1 becomes 120. So this is how you are going to be executed. Enter the number here. Once you enter the number here 5, so what it does, num is equal to 5. So num is equal to 5. Once you take the number, so you are calling the function. So result will be equal to fact num. So what it does, fact A, that is A is equal to 5. That is the parameter what you are giving. Result is equal to fact num is equal to fact 5. Is 5 is equal to 0 or 5 is equal to 1? No, condition is false. It goes to the function. In that function, it will be executing this program. So 5 is equal to 0 or 5 is equal to 1, false. Else, return A star factorial of A minus 1. What is fact A? Fact A is 5. 5 star fact of 5 minus 1, it becomes 4. So that is what we have given. 5 star fact of 5 minus 1, 5 into fact of 4, the total value will be equal to 120. So how it will going to take? 5 into factorial of 4. Then again 4 is equal to 0 or 4 is equal to 1, the condition is false. Why? It start decrementing. So return 4 star fact of 4 minus 1. So what it does, 4 into fact 3. Of course, you will go to get this. You will not be able to get it directly here. 4 into fact 3. Then is 3 is equal to 0 or 3 is equal to 1. Both are false. So automatically it is false. Return 3 into fact of 3 minus 1. So what is fact of 3 minus 1? It becomes 3 into fact 2, which is equal to 6. Then again, 2 is equal to 0 or 2 is equal to 1, it becomes false. So then, yes, return fact of 2 into fact of 2 minus 1. So 2 into fact of 1, that is 2. So then 1 is equal to 1 or 1 is equal to 1, it is true. So return 1 always. So that means 1 will going to have the same value. So 2 into fact 1 will become 2. Then 3 into fact 2 will going to become 6 because 3 into 2 becomes 6. So what is fact 2? You have 6. So then 4 into fact 3. What is that? 4 into fact 3 means 6, 24. Then 5 into fact 4, which is 24, it is going to get here 120. So this is how. If the recursion will going to take place, every time it goes to the same recursive value and takes that particular value from the previous one and multiplies with the next one to get the next factorial. So this is how the recursion will going to take place, repeatedly doing the same steps again and again to get the solution. So this is how you will be able to find the factorial of a given number by using the recursive function. So how to write the function for this? By using a program. Now we will try to write the program. For that, I will use def fact A colon. Then if A is equal to 0 or a equals 1. Return else, and what is that? Return a star fact of a minus 1. Okay. Now, int input, enter a number here. Enter a number here. Sorry. Then result equals, I'm calling a function and storing that value of the return value is result fact num. I'm calling the function. Then I want to print the final result. Print the factorial of the given number. The factorial of the given number. Okay. Percentage d equals percentage d. Okay. Then percent you call num comma result. Now we'll try to execute this program. So to do that, you observe here what happens. It'll come down to this. So num, what is num? The factorial of enter a number here. So which is the number? I will take 5. Result equal to fact num. What is fact 5? What is the a? A is also becomes 5 now. A is 5. Is 5 is equal to 0 or 5 is equal to 1? No. Skips this. Comes to this return statement. A is 5 and fact is 4. So what it does? 5 star fact 4. Then a value is 4. A is equal to fact 3. Correct? 4 into fact 3. Then 3 is equal to 0 or 3 is equal to 1. No. Then fact 2 is taken. 2 is equal to 0. No. Then fact 1. A is equal to 0 or A is equal to 1. Yes, return 1. Once it returns, then it goes to this. 2 minus 1. 2 into 2. It becomes 2. 2 into 1 becomes 2. Then fact 2 is over. Then 3 into fact 3. 2 into 3. 6. Then fact is 24. You can see here what is happening here. Then A is equal to result is fact num 5. What is that fact num 5? It is fact 120. So it comes out of this. Then the factorial of the given number is 5. Result is 120. So it will go to print the factorial of a given number 5 is equal to 120. Similarly, if I want to give the debug Python file, if I say the value of the factorial of the number, I will take 10 and then press enter. Then number is 10, so it goes to this. A value is 10. Then return 10 into fact 9. Then 9 into fact 8. Then 9 into 7. Then 6. Then 5. Then 4. Then 3. Then 2. Then 1. Return 1. So then 2. 2 into 1. You check the fact number. it becomes 2, then 6, then 24, then 120. Then it keeps on taking that value. 720 into 7, 5040. So 5040 into 8, so 40,320. Then 9, 10, 36, 3,62,880. Then result, enter that return value as the result value. That means your number is 10, your result is that number, whatever you got here. Then you want to print that result. So you go to that, the factorial of the number, print number 10 will be 3628800. So this is how I will be able to find the factorial of a given number in a recursive method. In the recursive method, everything will be recursing the values again and again within that particular loop. So this is how you will be able to find the solution for a Python program by using the factorial in recursive method. Thank you.